So my game name is Shooting Game. The next is, this is all about from grade 1 to 5, and this is my computer subject related. And what is the objective of this game is, so it's a fun game. Like I will explain that how we are supposed to play that. And for the lower grade children, like grade 1 and 2, as no, they don't know about the much about the keyboards and everything, because they should start learning about how to use the keyboard keys. So for them, it should be increase the knowledge of the keyboard, because they just have to use the arrows keys. Like if they want to go to the right side, then they have to press the right side arrow key, and same for the if they want to go for the left side, they have to use the left key. What we have to preparation before the classes, so basically they have to open the Scratch. As you see, this is a Scratch based game. You can use it online also, and you can use it offline also. And for this game, you can use any devices like mobile, desktop, or laptop, or even the tab also. And at a time, means everyone, they can just with the use of their devices, they can use their device to play this game. Now during the class, so this is just about how to play the game. So there are basically there are two characters. The first is rocket ship, and the second is the ghost. So what we have to do, the rocket ship will be over there, and from the top of the screen, the ghost will come, and we just have to move that rocket space from left to right only. If that ghost touches to the rocket space, then the game will be over. This is the demo which I've used. I just use this game with my grade. What is the objective, as I told you? So first of all, the kids will know they will learn the code. Then secondly, they will improve the knowledge of the keyboard uses, and also this is the very fun and the engaging. The students will be engaged in this game. And what is the variety of this game? So in this game, I have used the two characters, as I told you. One is the rocket space, and the one is the ghost one. But according to your choice, you can select the different characters also. Like if very small children are there, like grade 1 and 2, so you can just you can show that there is an apple is falling down from the screen, and below there is a basket, and that basket is holding that apple. And yes, this is also, I told you, the very different variations of the day. As you have passed the level 1, you can just increase the difficulty level in this game. I have taken the two character, and what I have to do, this is the green flag. So means when we want to start the game, we have to click this green flag. It means start the game. When I want to stop, we have to stop it. And here also you can see the score also. So now I will start the game. I just need to click my left arrow key and see. I have added some music also, so this is the game. Now I have to keep that. That's it. So this is my game. I've added some background and some music also. This is the code. That's it.